Hey everyone, welcome back to another daily analysis brought to you by FXCM. My name is Desmond and I'll be taking you through today's daily analysis review. All right, so as usual, remember everything in this video is educational in nature. Nothing should be construed as investment or trading advice. So please do your own due diligence before you guys trade. Okay, now today's analysis review would be on pound dollar, right? So this was published on June 21st, so about like 24 hours ago. Right, so our forecast was for price to be bullish, bounce above the 1.2680 level to reach the 1.28328 level. Okay, now the review today I want to highlight to you is that we can see that price did indeed bounce off that level, and it the important lesson that I want to teach you guys here is that it reached this level right about here. All right, it reached this level perfectly and reverse. And this is a very important level lesson that I want to teach you guys, because it's not sometimes it's not enough to just forecast the bounce, right? You need to be able to forecast the bounce to the correct level, right? So there's a reason why I did not place my take profit over here, right? So most people would just put their take profit target, at the resistance over here, the swing high over here. But one thing you need to take note that is that price, especially when you're placing your take profit, it's a better practice to put it slightly before a key level. Not beyond a key level, but slightly before a key level. Right. The reason for that is because that price tends to rise up to the key level, and in this case, right, the major swing high resistance, a lot of people start closing off their positions, their long positions, and that is where the market might reverse a bit. All right, so in this case, we can see price reverse very nicely right before I reach the key resistance target over here. Okay, so that is the key lesson today, right? That I just want to tell you guys. Why I picked that specific level is because I was looking for the level where most of the candles were touching, right? So in this case, I noticed that when I put it at this level, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, almost 6 different candles were touching this exact level, right? So it's true enough, price rose to that level, they touch it and then reverse, right? So that's a trick when it comes to picking a take profit level. Look for the level where you will intersect most of the candles, usually the wicks, right? And that will give you usually a pretty good gauge on where your take profit should be if it is slightly before a key swing high level. Okay, now this if anything, right, if you have questions regarding trade management, right, where to put your stop loss, where to put your take profit, feel free to ask me. I'll do my best to get to them in the question section below. Otherwise, trade safe, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.